Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video we will see how to make the structure of street light. Okay, so this is what we have designed, a street light, and we will see how to design these kind of street lights in this video. Okay, fine. So what we will do first, I'm going to delete these two things. Okay, and so I'm selecting it by pressing shift. I'm selecting both and then pressing X to delete. Okay, and this illuminate surface, fine. This emission surface also I'm deleting, fine. After that, what you have to do is you need to take a first cylinder. Let's say I'm going to take a cylinder, shift plus A. I'm going to add a cylinder. So after adding a cylinder, what you will do, you just need to scale the cylinder. So I'm going to scale and I'm going to pull it like this. And after that I'm going to scale it again towards Z axis, so that and make it little okay, fine. And after that I'm going to scale it again. Okay, fine. So now what I will do, I'll just go to edit mode by pressing tab on the object. I'll select the top of upper face and I'll press I, and I will I will just take this part. Fine, extrude again, keep it and scale it, extrude again towards Z and keep it and scale it. Sorry, fine. And after I'm going to extrude it towards X axis straight. I'm going to extrude it, the second I'm going to extrude it towards Z axis, extrude it, sorry, extrude it, extrude the height how much you want. Fine, let's say I want this much height for my fan to be, and I'm going to be in the solid mode. Okay, now let's say after doing this I need to rotate this face, rotate this surface, right? So what I will do for that, I'll just press R and I will rotate it, let's say this side. So better doing this before, I'll just press 1 first and then I rotate, so I can able to understand this what is happening, right? Okay, better than this you can go to shade tool, go to shade tool here and just adjust the face according to you. Shift, press shift and you need to shift it down, not this one. You need to select the candle which will be helpful for rotating the face, basically, not that one. I guess this one. Fine, after doing that I need to write it -1. In -1 only it will give a 90-degree turn to me. Fine. And now after that, as I have selected the face, what I will do, okay, after rotating the face, what you will do, you just extrude this face towards second. So you go and select the face. Okay, press 1. I need to extrude it towards X axis. So extrude it at this height a bit. Fine. After doing so, you need to make this face, the face which is tilted, you need to make it straight. So again, shade tool I'm going to use shade tool and you just need to no, not this candle. I'm just checking which candle will be helping me to straighten its face. So you need to try all 6. No, 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 Just check all the candles. Okay, this is the one. Got it? Press -1, so it will exactly come straight. Just a second. More. -1. Fine. This face is still not straight, so what I will do, I'll select the face again and I'll just try to rotate a little bit. Press R and just make it straight. Okay, how much you want, that's it. So press 1 and to see the straight. Yes, it is straight but not fully, so I'll just select it again and press 1 and again I rotate it to so that I can able to make it proper straight. Perfect. Now after that I need to scale this one, so I'm going to set myself to the top view. Fine. So press 7, top view, and I'm going to extrude this one towards x-axis. Extrude it a little bit, and now I'm going to scale this one. Fine. Extrude it again. Fine. Extrude it again. Scale. Let's see. Fine. Now after that I'm going to move this vertex. So press G. I'll move it inside. Move it inside. Yes. Now after that I'm going to take this part, whole part. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to this select part and I select a circle here, and after that I set myself to the wired mode so that I can select all the parts. Now press Ctrl and just drag these things all around. Press Shift and do this side also. Fine. Once you're done, you can see the bottom part, it's somewhat left. Ctrl Z, because I don't want to select the other parts portion. So Shift and then full. Fine. After doing so, I need to scale this one towards Z axis. Fine. So how I will do that? Z. So do scale the object and towards Z axis. I'm going to basically make it a little chipped off. Make it bent. Yes. Perfect. Fine. After you did this, do this one, you just go to solid mode again, select your basic part here, twig, and what you do, go little zoom, select this part, select this face and go little, press G and move it towards a bit inside. Fine. Still it is not proper, so what I'm doing here, I'm selecting the face and setting myself to the side view and then pressing G to move towards x-axis. Yes. Perfect. Now from the bottom part I'm going to select some faces here, the faces which are you want to turn as a emission. So press Shift and then select the faces. This all these faces I want to be eliminate. Sorry, want as a emission part where the light will be fitted. Okay. So I'll go and press extrude now, and I'll just extrude a little bit outside. Yes. And after that, once you're done this one, you'll go to add modifier, take as ID modifier, go to generate and subdivision surface. As we add subdivision surface, you'll see the structure will increase. Let's see what is that. Before that, what I will do, just leave this just a second, hold this one. I'll just go to solid mode. I'll go to just a second. Just a second. select this faces first, and after extruding you need to make a line properly. Select the faces and after that extrude it. Little bit extrude you have to do. Okay, and after that press P so that this faces will be separate. Okay, now as this faces are separate, now what I will do, I will go to tab again, and as you can see there are two faces been selected, one this one and this one is another object, right? So I'm going to add a subdivision for both of them. To select this one first, the outer part, and increase this part, let's say 5. Smooth or right, you can see. Fine. Now select this part again you can do the smoothing for this also. Very good. These two parts are smoothed now. From the outside you'll see like this. Now how to give a bright color to this? So basically for that you have to go to this, select the face which you want to give an emission part, and go to material. And after going to material, what you have to do, you have to click on this new part, and after that select the surface here and select the emission here. So emission, basically what it will do, it will add an emission to your object. So I have selected the emission. I'll go to render and show you how this emission work. Fine. This is how this work. You can see now this emission cannot be seen in the solid part basically, right? When you're in solid mode, when you go into the render mode, basically you can see the emission, how the emission is happening. Let's say you want to give a color to this body part, so you add a material again and just go to solid mode. So now adding a color to this, so surface could be anything. Okay, and color you have to choose. So color, you just click here and just take a color as let's say little grayish color. Fine. And this color, yeah, perfect, done. Now I'll go to render again, viewport mode. You can see your street light is ready. Now I want to copy this structure, so what I will do, I'll just select this face, and definitely will select this one also. These two I have to select both. Okay, after doing that you have to press Shift D, and you will see the copy of this is ready. Fine. So wherever you're keeping, keep it, no issue. Like that. If you want more Shift R, so like this, it will add many more objects to your structure. Like that, you can see the 4 objects has been added, right? So all are not in a proper format basically. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just try to show you what is happening here. Yes, so all came in a stepwise, so when I'm zooming it, I'm unable to see these things. Okay, so let's see. Go to render mode and you can see the brightness. Fine. Like this, how you have to design a street light. Fine. So by pressing Shift R, you can increase the number of street lights or the objects. Getting? Thank you for watching this video. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.